Hi everybody, Ashish Sangrachka, President of Big Five Tours and Expeditions, coming to you from obviously Washington D.C. It's a beautiful day. We spent last night at the Sri Lankan Embassy meeting with the Sri Lankan Ambassador to the United States. What an inspiring story. We can't wait to share that story. Those of you saw in January that Sri Lanka was one of our trending destinations of 2024, and sure enough, to be able to spend that evening with him talking about the story, the inspiring story of where Sri Lanka was and where it came from. And today, being on Capitol Hill, being in the Rayburn building, discussing specific agenda items pertaining to our industry with the Congressional Caucus of USTOA. What an honor it was to be here. What amazing meetings we had. And, really pushing through ideas and action steps to be able to showcase what we've been talking about all along in terms of how travel and tourism is calculated as a contribution to GDP and how our leaders actually see the contribution travel and tourism makes to our country's GDP, inbound and outbound. What an honor it was. And those of you who know, my father is no longer here. He would be proud of today. This was the moment that he would dream of, that one of us became something. And to be sitting here in front of Capitol Hill sharing the story of the meetings I just had today, I know he's watching over me. Thanks again.